Hey guys, my name is Mitchell and welcome to the channel where I help Amazon sellers use AI to grow their profits and save time. Inside this channel, you will find step-by-step tutorials and plug-and-play AI Amazon automations covering SEO, PPC, listing creative, product launches, and more tools to help you grow faster and work less. So if you want more traffic, better conversions, or more products on the market, I will show you how to plug AI into your business. It doesn't really matter if you're a beginner or a pro with AI, as I will be breaking everything down in a step-by-step format for you here on this channel. I've been selling on Amazon for 7 years, managed $100 million in revenue, and generated $500,000 for my first product, and spent 2 years building AI solutions to help Amazon sellers simplify and scale their business. Also, if you have any questions or need help integrating AI into your business, I'd love to hop on a call with you. Just go ahead and click the link in the description and you can schedule your free strategy session. If you're serious about growing your Amazon business and want to stay ahead of the curve with AI, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. While you're here, I recommend checking out the other videos on this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.